Hello students, in this video we will discuss uh, about a numerical problem related to manufacturing problem. Problem is a manufacturing company makes two models of product A and B. Each pieces of the model A requires 9 hours labor for fabricating and 1 hour for finishing. Each piece of the model B requires 12 hours for the fabricating and 3 hours for the finishing. For fabricating and finishing, the maximum labor hours available are 180 and 30 respectively. The company makes a profit of rupees 8,000 on each piece of the model A and rupees 12,000 on each piece of the model B. In this question, we ask that how many pieces of the model A and model B should be manufactured per week to release a maximum profit. What is the maximum profit per week? Now, for solving this question, we consider that let X and Y are the number of products of each type models, each types of models A and B respectively. Since as you see here, 9 hours available for model A for the fabricating and 12 hours required for the fabricating of the model B. Therefore, according to question, 9x plus 12y is less than or equal to. That means for the both models, maximum hours for the fabricating is 180 right here, 180 hours. That means 9x plus 12y is less than or equal to 180. Or if we divide it by 3, then this will be 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 60. This is the first constant. Second condition given that for the finishing, model A requires 1 hour and model B requires 3 hours. That means 1 into x plus 3 into y is less than or equal to maximum hours available for the finishing is 30. That means this will be x plus 3y less than or equal to 30. This is the second. There are two constants have they found, and non-negative constants, that means number of products of model A and model B are non-negative. So this will be x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. This is the third inequality. Now for solving, first we draw the graph and then find the what will be feasible result. From first, if we put x equal to 0, then y will be 15 and y will be 0, then x will be 20. If here we can write the corresponding equation to this inequality, this will be 3x plus 4y equal to 60, and here x plus 3y is equal to 30, and here x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. These are the corresponding equations with respect to these inequalities. Again from second, we take 2 points x and y. If we put x equal to 0, then y will be 10 and y will be 0, then x will be 30. Now we draw the graph of these points. Here right, draw the graph x, x dash, y, y dash, and this is the origin. First draw the graph of first equation 0, 15 on y15. First write here scale. Scale is 5 unit equal to 1 centimeter. Since 0, 15, that means this is 0 on x-axis, 5, 10 and 15. This is the 0, 15, 0, 15. And second is 20, 0 on x-axis 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. This will be 20, 0. And draw a line like this. Equation of this line will be 3x plus 4y equal to 60. Now we will draw the graph of second line 0, 10. 0, 10 means this point 0, 10, and second 30, 0. 30 means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and this will be 30. That means this point will be 30, 0. And draw the another line like this. Since this is the intersection point of both lines, first we check what is these lines or these inequalities contain the origin or not. So here we should report x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in this inequation. 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 60. This is the true statement. That means shaded region will be lower side from this line. That means this towards the origin. This will be the shaded region. And in this 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 30, this is also true. So towards the origin, this will be shaded region. This will be shaded region. Suppose this point A, this is the point B, this is the point C, and this is the origin. That means this is the 0, 0. Since coordinate of this point A is this, coordinate of C is this, and O is this, and we should find the what will be coordinate of B point. Coordinate of B point, for this we should be solve the equation 1 and 2. That means we can find here from 1 and 2 3x plus 4y equal to 60 and x plus 3y equal to 30. If we multiply by 3 in this equation and change the sign of lower equation, then this will be cancelled. 4y minus 9y, this will be minus 5y equal to 60 minus 90, this will be minus 30. Therefore y equal to 6. Sorry, 1 minute. 4y minus 9y, this will be minus 5y. 90 minus 60 minus 90, this will be minus 30. Minus 30, 5, 10, and here 5, this is the 20, 5, 10, 15, and 20, 5, 10. This is the 6. Therefore, x equal to, putting the value of y in this equation, so x plus 3 into 6 equal to 30, x equal to 30 minus 18, that means this will be 12. X equal to 12 and y equal to 6, that means 12 comma 6. Therefore we should find the corner point of this feasible region. That means feasible region is bounded and feasible region is A, B, C, O and A. Therefore corners will be A means 20 comma 0, B means 12 comma 6, C means 0 comma 10 and O means 0 comma 0. Since first we write here, we have left this. What is the objective function? Since as you see here, 8,000 profit of rupee 8,000 on each piece of the model A and 12,000 on the piece of the model B. Since here objective function z equal to 8,000 x plus 12,000 y, and we should be, this is the maximize. Now we will find the value of z on each of these points. Therefore at A, z equal to 20 comma means 800 into 8,000. This is the 8,000 and this is the 12,000. 8,000 into 20 plus 0 into 12,000. This will be 1640. This is the maximum profit. So this is the profit at A. Second, at B, z equal to 8,000 into 12 plus 6 into 12,000. This will be 9630 plus 7230. This will be 000628 and 9 plus 7. This will be 16. At C, z equal to 0 into 8,000 plus 10 into 12,000. This will be 124 times 0. And at O, z equal to 0. Since at, you can see here, at B, z is maximum, is equal to 168,000. That means maximum profit will be 1,68,000 per week. Maximum profit will be 1,68,000 per week, and manufacturer should be produce per week. Model of A is 12. Model of A equal to 12. Number of articles, number of products of model A equal to 12 and model of B equal to 6. This will be answer. Now in the next video we will discuss about what is the second type of problem, that means diet problems.